Me I tell you a part was sweet me. You don't know say Trev and Donkey plan to keep the World Cup together with Angel. Them go call Macy and tell Macy oh the World Cup a go. You know say me the live and Macy tell me say a film World Cup.
And then
What
thank you. Vani, me never look everything up here. You know, yeah, what she that tell you yesterday on the screen. Me never look.
yeah, this is the live me I tell.
You did
She
that,
tell
Miss
me say a film World Cup.
She not tell Vani about a meaty fair idea court case. I don't even look. I don't even open my mouth. Everything people thief from she.
Everything
Yes,
the little AIDS
we
victim
got
got the power.
we got Bling with them too. Yes, we got Bling up on the live. I want bag of something go and say me got Bling at you see all you. You know come thief my courthouse. Which part was the message stay from my courthouse? Talk to.
Lie like sure. Me say I don't even me never entertain it. True.
All right, me
TV
keep.
people them TV people them things. So me I tell Shay about him. Trev, we and Shay talk. Trev him come over here about in a like what me and Shay say because of him and Desmond.
Angel and
No,
idea.
I mean, say tell we say a film one. Why not go cuss me say? Why not the quest go and ask me say why you spreading it like it's yours? I know we have to we are talk about and then the man say I have to correct you. You can't correct me. I know what you say me I listen to. If somebody tell me say
Vani say, I know what you say. You come and say whatever about our Mercy tell me say.
when me say me have to work. Blinger, you come to me and tell me say you own one salon down the road. And then she go come to me say, I know me don't listen to Blinger. Listen to me. What if I listen to you and the woman tell me say a film salon?
Right. Exactly. Me just said the same thing with Pastor and Karen over here. Karen say she find Pastor in the garbage as a baby. And take him up and take care of him until now he get big and the two of them is together. So anything Karen say me I work with, you know.
I have to work with. Oh, Trevor go come. I know what you. If me, 5,000 people did I watch with the day when me say I tell me say a film show. So oh, Trevor now go come tell me what did talk on the phone. Me can't listen to you. Admit it to the live and talk in front of me. I know me not hear me ask me say why you said that. Me see the live. Go admit it to the live and ask.
Me see the live now and cuss me and you. And me and you over there cussing now. In now cuss Trev.
He have to cuss me and you because he knowing they almost thief the people them style.
Right. In now cuss Trev and me and cuss. But
you know what me feel?
Miss
You see just a powerful share?
Nobody no stop them from keep them AIDS scope. Them keep it. Right?
But no, make you see who I go tell the lie now. Wait.
Something before this get I'm putting my foot down, my feet down. I'm not doing
Me I go see who I tell lie now. Fuck your face.
Lawyer and whoop other people been telling me to do this, that, and the third, right?
Yeah.
So me say to myself, I'm gonna eat my vomit, I'm gonna go back for my words. That time, yeah. Because every time I eat my vomit and I go back, the same thing happen. So I just tell myself, I don't know these people, and I really and truly don't despise nobody. But I'm not enemy on TikTok now. I don't have no enemy on TikTok, regardless of what a girl might think. I just start to disassociate myself, and I don't see no issue with that. My post, the summer yesterday, when I posted it 10-15 minutes after, remember me not even know say, you and Destiny that talk about nothing now, because remember me not watch Destiny don't talk and all the fair pages and black over my life, on my page. I never know, yesterday I unblocked Angel, yesterday. After I post...
But Trev said Angel tell him.
Bonnie, you have to stay at 2 World Cup for keep. Yeah, listen.
15 minutes, Mr. 191 number call me. Me not know my phone. When you call me one time, it cut you off, and you have to call it back. Right away, you can do it. Alright. But text them and say, who this? Look a bit after. No, lie me a tell. Angel text.
A lion always take long to get to the point.
She just a text ask me if me want to be a part of the World Cup, right? Me and I end up on a phone call. I say, Angel, you know, so I just post, but in my mind, I'm not going to tell a lie. In my head, I say, you know,
thanks, Chat.
I'm going to tell Angel.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
I mean, I say, it look kind of suspicious as my post is something so.